What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Dry Shrink Prep, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you're going to receive your pre-cut kits and how to open them up safely and correctly. Our pre-cut kits either come in these 43-inch tubes, or it's going to be in a smaller 24-inch tube depending on what you're purchasing. On each one they will have a sticker that says fragile. They will have a do not accept if damaged sticker as well. If you guys do receive this package and it is damaged, don't open it. It doesn't matter where I'm shipping it from. You're able, if you go back to USPS and you give them back the package, even if you didn't catch the mailman when they delivered it, if the package is damaged, do not open it. Bring it back to USPS and tell them that you want it to send it to return to sender and not accept the package. They will go ahead and send it back to me. And if that's the case, then what I can do is I can receive it, determine whether or not it is damaged, and then resend you a new one. But you cannot refuse the package once you do open the package, fair warning. So if the tube looks any type of damaged or anything bent in half, destroyed in any way, in any capacity, just go ahead and refuse the acceptance of the package, and they'll send it back to me, and then we'll go ahead and get it squared up after that. All right, so we're sent out these tubes with these little caps on here. Sometimes they're a little hard to get. Sometimes you can get them with your fingers. Don't hurt yourself. If you can't get it with your fingers, just get a set of needles, pliers or something like that. You're going to go ahead and pull and pop out that cap. We're probably going to have a little bit of stuffing right in here on one side or the other, or both. It really just depends. You can go ahead and dismiss this. And then you're going to go ahead and just slide the film out. Just like this. Nice and easy. All right, guys, once the film is out of the tube, you're going to notice that we do have some protective caps on both sides. And if you look in close here, very simple. It's going to be two steps. Step number one, pull the tab to release the cap. Step two, slide cap off. So we have these little tabs already set up here. So step one, and I have the arrows right here for you. Pull this tab to release the cap. And you're just going to keep on pulling. Keep on pulling until that's off. Step two, slide cap with the arrows. You're just going to slide the cap this way. The film is stuck in here. We do have a little bit of cushion between the edge of the film and the edge of this cap to protect the edges of the film. And we're going to do again, same thing. It's going to be the same thing, but just mirrored. As you can tell, the end did get a little crunched right here. That's okay. That's part of the design. Better to get these protected caps crunching instead of damaging the film itself. So again, just the reverse here. Step one, pull the tab to release the cap. We have the arrows pointing in the direction. Grab the tab. Pull in the direction that you would like. If that paper tears, it's totally okay. Not going to damage anything. Boom, just like that. Step two, right here, slide cap off. Boom, just like that. And as you can see, the edge of that film, or the edge of the cap, has been crunched and damaged slightly, but the film itself is not damaged at all. Now from here, once we get the caps off, you want to get a nice big table, and you're going to see that there is a tab here. These tabs are put in a particular way so that when you pull the tab, it doesn't pull with the film. It's just going to naturally come off. Take these off like that, get a nice big table, and then just go ahead and lay it flat and go ahead and roll out your film. Now you have all your film and you're ready to rock. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. Check us out, dryshrinkprep.com. We have every year, make, and model you like, and every design package that's possible. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you very much again for your continued support, and we'll see you guys next time.